Whoa! They just... Where am... Alright, where am I now? This is gonna be like in the first game where you got brought into like all like the World War II stuff. It's gonna bring me to like a war zone or something. Oh. Okay, it's not a war zone, but it looks cool though. It's a Day of the Dead celebration. What the hell? Am I gonna fight a motorcycle gang? Just rolls up on a freaking Honda bike. Oh, he's getting a little Solid Snake headband now. Bro, he's literally Solid Snake right now. Look at him. This is freaking nuts. Bro, this is nuts. Just fireworks though, right? What the hell? Look at the lighting. Look at this. Got a firefight. Yeah, that's right. What's this? Oh, here's the biker boys. Oh, hell. Yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye. There he is. Boom! Got him.